We've just had our bathroom renovated by AV Modern Bathrooms.
Hello everyone, I'm Wojtek from AV Modern Bathrooms, and today we are in Crosby. We're going to be starting another bathroom journey. Toilets. We're just going to refresh your bathroom.
That sounds great.
Yeah, absolutely. Are you
can't
happy?
wait.
Are you happy to start work?
Yeah, go for it.
That's fantastic.
Can't wait. We've just had our bathroom renovated by AV Modern Bathrooms and we couldn't be happier with the result. From start to finish, the fitter was amazing. Our carpets were covered, all the rubbish was collected. We also have a 1-year warranty with the company, so if anything does go wrong, a fitter will come, the maintenance team will come and help us out. But we are so thrilled with the result and we couldn't be happier.